One more serotonin session based on boxing with something extra in this one. We're going to add a kick into this, and we're going to do 5 different boxing movements, 5 different boxing, and a movement that includes a kick. Actually, it's from Tai Chi. There are different ways of kicking in kickboxing exercise, for instance, but what we're going to do is a Tai Chi kick. We're going to do this combination, 1 and 2, and kick, bringing the back leg up and then returning to this starting position. As ever, there are tutorials for all of these different combinations and movements elsewhere on our channel. I'll link to the tutorials in this vlog. But the 5 moves we're going to do are 1 and 2, jab and cross, and then 1 and 2, hook and hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, roll, 4, 3. So hook and hook again. And then 1 to 6, jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. And then the last one's going to be the special one with a kick, jab and cross and kick, and back to the start. So 5 boxing movements, each for a minute each. It'll be quite a bit more, it'll ask a little bit more of you, this workout. So make sure you're stretched and warmed up before we start. We're going to do for a minute each. I've got the exercise timer on here, and I'll talk it through as we work it through. Great way to get everything working, get the serotonin flowing first thing in the morning. If you're feeling a bit like I feel like that, I want to do a bit of boxing. So let's get on with it. Getting ready for our first combination into our stance. We're going to do 1 and 2, jab and cross. So jab and cross, and jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. And when we're doing this, thinking about turning the body into especially into the cross. I'm turning all of my body weight into the cross with my right hand. Jab and cross, jab and cross. And I'm also thinking about perhaps a little bit of snap into the individual punches. Once again, we can do this a bit faster. Jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, or slower. Go at your own pace with this. It's important to find your own pace with these exercises. Jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. Last few seconds of this one. Then we're going to go into the next combination. Next combination is jab, cross, hook, hook, jab, cross, hook, hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The big thing with the hooks is to think about this rotating body energy. That's where a lot of the power in the hooks come from. So I'm turning on the balls of my feet as I do my hooks. Jab, cross, hook, hook. I'll change position. Once again, jab, cross, hook, hook, jab, cross, hook, hook. Turning on the balls of my feet here. Jab, cross, hook, hook, jab, cross, hook, hook, jab, cross, hook, hook, jab, cross, hook, hook. I'll change position for the last one. Jab, cross, hook, hook. Next combination, we're going to add the roll in. So jab, cross, roll, and then the hook, and then the other hook. Jab, cross, roll, squat down, hook, hook. Jab, cross, roll, squat down, hook, hook. One more. Jab, cross, roll, hook, hook. I'll change position. Jab, cross, roll, hook, hook. Jab, cross, roll, hook, hook. Jab, cross, roll, hook, hook. Facing the camera. Jab, cross, roll, hook, hook. Trying to keep my guard up. Jab, cross, roll, hook, hook. Jab, cross, roll, sink down, hook, hook. Jab, cross, roll, hook, hook. Last one. Jab, cross, roll, hook, hook. Next round, straight into it. All 6 punches, 1 to 6. Jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm getting sweaty now. Jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, sink and twist, uppercut, jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. Change my position. Jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. Trying to turn on the balls of my feet here. Jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. Couple more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. Jab, cross, hook, hook, uppercut, uppercut. And the last combination, which is going to be jab and cross 1 and 2, and then bringing the back leg up, kicking, and then returning to the starting position. So 1, 2, kick, return. 1, 2, kick, return. 1, 2, kick, return. 1, 2, kick, return. You'll notice that S asks quite a lot more of the body because we're suddenly using the legs. 1, 2, kick, return, jab, cross, kick, return, jab, cross, kick, return. I'll change my position. So here, jab, cross, kick, return, jab, cross, kick, return, and back again. Jab, cross, kick, return, jab, cross, kick, return. Last couple, jab, cross, kick, return, jab, cross, kick, return. So a session with 5 different boxing movements plus a kick in there for just that added thing. We've done all that for a minute each. Shadow boxing it, you'll probably notice like I am that I'm a bit sweaty now and I'm a bit out of breath and my heart rate's really raised up there, particularly with the kick. Anything that involves using the lower body or the legs as well as punching really gets all of the system working, and that's pretty much the simplest kick that we can do. So I hope you've enjoyed this short serotonin session. We will be adding more elaborate ones involving boxing in the coming months. But for now, if you're into this, if you've enjoyed it, you've managed to get through that one. It was about 5 minutes. Perhaps try it out 2 or 3 times, turn it into a bit more of a workout for yourself, extending it, multiplying it. If you're into it, like and subscribe, tell your friends about it, and also check the bio where we have a link to our 12-lesson Introduction to Movement for Mental Health online program. Hope you've enjoyed this workout and you're into boxing.